Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm going to draw amazing tricks to draw animals. So without any further late, let's begin. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe my channel to get more updates of my upcoming videos. And also watch this video till end. Now let's complete this. Here I was making some random animals from numbers by which you can draw easily after watching this. So let's complete this too. So here the outline was completed and I was doing some transitions of coloring. Lastly, both drawings are completed. Like this video and yeah, thanks for watching.